Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo, sa lahat ng staff dito sa BGMP na naging bahagi ng aking karanasan tungkol sa Panginoon. Salamat po sa inyo. Salamat po sa inyo.
Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Tapos may nakikita ngayon na dalawa, isang junior at isang senior high school at isang college. Ma'am, balik ka! Bakit? Kasi gusto ko magkaroon eh.
Kasi ito pong lahat ng narito po namin ay accomplishment po natin lahat. The partnership for the benefit of our client, the persons deprived of liberty. As we raise our glasses tonight, let's celebrate the rich flavor of life, both in our glasses and in our hearts. Here's to the joy of today and the promise of tomorrow. Cheers.
Now we'll I'll hold on to you. No matter what this world will throw, it won't shake me loose. I'll reach my hands out in the dark and wait for yours to until I can wait for you. I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue.